So these are the things I'm currently obsessed with. So let me just show it to you guys. The first thing I have is this CeraVe moisturizing lotion. Personally, I have combination skin plus acne prone, and this moisturizer is very lightweight, not greasy. This does not clog my pores, which really helps me to not get any acne breakouts. For the makeup, I just have two things. One is this ELF lip liner, and the another one is this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Concealer. This lip liner is in the shade Mob Aside. What I love about this lip liner is it matches with my natural color of my lips. So at the same time, it's very smooth, very easy to use, and it blends in your lips like a butter. And this is what I'm using right now. And my current favorite concealer is this L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. This is the best concealer I have ever used. It conceals my dark circles like anything, and I thought if it's a full concealer, it will be hard to blend, but it blends so easily. At the same time, if you set it with the powder, it does not crease. For the clothes, I just have this white dress which I recently got from Westside. I wanted a white cotton dress from a very long time, and when I saw this dress, I knew I will get this. This was very affordable again, and the quality wise was also it was really good. It is 100% cotton and it feels really comfortable to wear, especially in summer. The footwear, I have this cute white heels from the West Side again. Love West Side for their footwear collection especially. And when I saw these white heels, I knew I have to get this because I was looking for a sandal like this for a very long time, which I can wear for everyday use and which I can style in multiple ways. And the book I'm currently obsessed with right now is this 40 Rules of Love by Alif Shafik. I have read like 60% of this book, but so far I am falling in love with this book. What I really love about this book has some characters with whom I can relate, even though this story is traced back to I think 12th century, but still the characters are very relatable, and at the same time you also get to learn many life lesson in this book. So if you are into reading, then I will definitely suggest you to go and read this book. And I also have made a cute bookmarker for this book, which I'm currently obsessed with. And yeah, these are all the things I'm currently obsessed with.